Hello there and welcome to the series of English idioms. In this video I will cover 10 idioms which are very most influential, and it will help an aspirant of CSS, PMS, PCS, UPSC to get maximum numbers in their English essay and composition papers. So let's get started. The first one is at a stone's throw. Meaning is a very short distance or at a very short distance. If something or somebody, a place or any address or anything is near to you or at a very short distance, so you can use this idiom for making your English even written or spoken more accurate and more effective. So let's see the example. We live just at a stone's throw from here. For instance, someone asked his friend that, where do you live? He said, I live or we live just at a stone's throw from here. We live very close to this place where we are standing or where we are sitting or where we are now. From this place, my abode is very near, or where our abode is very near. So I hope this meaning is very clear. It is not that much difficult at a stone's throw. Next idiom is keep somebody at arm's length. Meaning is to avoid a close relationship with somebody. Means you do not want to make any close relationship with anybody. So if you are making a distance from somebody, you can use or you will use or you should use keep at somebody at arm's length. For more understanding, let's look at the example. He keeps all his clients at arm's length. Now the clients are not for the close relationship, they are for just the trading purpose or commercial purpose. Therefore he makes distance from all his clients. Next idiom is at daggers drawn. At daggers drawn means if two people are at daggers drawn, they are very angry at each other. There is a situation, two brothers or two friends are fighting over each other, over an object. So if they are very angry at each other, so at daggers drawn idioms will be used. The example is, the students have been at daggers drawn with one another since the day of union of election. Since the day the union election held, the student unions or students of the unions are at daggers drawn with themselves. Means they are very angry with themselves, with each other. They are very angry with each other. Next is at large. At large has two meanings. We will understand them very easily. The first meaning is used after noun. When at large is used after noun, it contains the meaning or it carries the meaning of whole, a complete. For instance, complete. If something is complete or something is in general, so we use at large. For instance, the opinion of the public at large. Now public is noun, at large is used after a noun, so there is a meaning that what public think generally. General opinion of public. In this sentence, at large means the general public of opinion. Moreover, the second meaning is of a dangerous person or situation. If you are writing or you are speaking about a dangerous person or a dangerous animal, then the meaning of at large will be not captured, free. Means if a dangerous person or an animal is not captured, it is free, then we will use we use at large. For example, her killer is still at large. Means the person who killed her is still remaining or wandering scot free. He has not been he had not been captured yet. Fifth idiom in the row is at the 11th hour. At the 11th hour is very famous and popular idiom, and it I think most people do these practice in their every daily life activities. 11th hour's meaning is at the last possible moment, just in a time. For instance, there is a deadline of submitting your utility bills or your gas or electricity bill. So there is a last date is for instance 14th April is the last date. So in the last moment of the 14th April you are paying your bill, so this idiom will come that at the 11th hour. Look at the example. They cancelled their program for going an outing at 11th hours because of a sudden change in the weather. They made a plan to go for an outing, but when they were about to leave, the climate or the weather suddenly changed. So due to this reason, they also changed their program. They cancelled their program. Next idiom is at first hand. At first hand meaning is by experiencing, seeing something yourself rather than being told about it by somebody. For instance, if there is a crime scene and the investigation officer visits the scene by himself, so the evidences which he collects from that site are the first hand and evidences. Look at the example. The president visited the area to see the devastation at first hand. For example, after flood, president decided to visit that flooded areas to see the devastation. So he visited himself to get first hand knowledge. Next idiom is at a pinch, used to say that something could be done or used in a particular situation if it is necessary. For instance, if there is something a situation in which the action is necessary, we use the idiom at a pinch. For instance, look at the example. We can get 6 people round this table at a pinch. If there is a necessary of 6 people, we can get 6 people round this table. Next idiom is very interesting, Achilles heel. Achilles heel is an idiom. The meaning is a weak point or a fault in somebody's character which can be attacked by other people. The weakest point, the weak point of anybody's personality or character, a weak point is called Achilles heel. Look at the example. The desire for publicity became her Achilles heel. Means she wanted to be popular, so this popularity became his weak points and proved disastrous for her. Next idiom is keep abreast of something. Meaning is to make sure that you know all the most recent facts about a subject. For instance, I like to keep abreast of current affairs. For instance, if a CSS aspirant, PCS, PMS or UPSC aspirant preparing his or her subject of current affairs, so if he is not updated the current knowledge of the current affairs, so he is not keeping abreast himself. So if he is keeping abreast of himself or herself, he is the idiom uses here that he like to keep abreast of current affairs, all knowledge of current affairs. Last but not the least is with an S of something or with an S of doing something. Meaning is very close to something. Meaning is we came within an S of victory, means we were very close in the victory. So this was the idioms of the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Those listeners who are listening me at social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. Uh, I would recommend that visit CSS Access YouTube channel for more videos and for more updates.